Look, it's all bad, it's all real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out, flip like
The reason why we're here today is to talk to you about securing the bag. Not what you see on social media or the music videos, how to really secure the bag.
Trusted note is very important for you to be prepared and to understand what it is that you're going to do. Social media and Instagrammers are not going to prepare you and tell you what to do. You need to learn it for yourself.
My advice to you guys would be to really figure out what you're passionate about, what you love to do early. That way you can get started on doing what you want to do.
I'm looking at longevity. I want wealth. And if you